sins of humanity for our atonement, but he was buried. It is a proof, his burial was a proof that he's dead. And also, very important, the early disciples, especially the teachers, include this. They cannot just preach the crucified Christ, but they have also to include the risen Christ. So Jesus, the gospel also includes the resurrection of Jesus that happened on the third day. And to prove that, there were many eyewitnesses that testify that they have seen Jesus. And so here Paul said, Peter saw him, that 12 eventually saw him. There were also about 500 brothers and sisters who saw him, and then to James, and then last but not least, he also appeared to me.